Hello friends, welcome to the 120 days plan for the UPSC Prelims 2025. Guys, we are following our daily targets, and as per our daily targets, every day we are finishing the UPSC syllabus along with some important topics. So guys, today we have assembled here for a brief discussion on Indian geography, which are the important topics. Guys, if you have gone through the PYQs, you will realize that generally questions which are coming from Indian geography in the UPSC prelims examination is map based. Already we have discussed in the previous live sessions some of the important map points from mountains, ranges, hills, and drainage system. Okay, so in the previous live sessions, if you have not watched the previous live sessions, please go and watch the previous live session. So today we are assembled here to discuss two chapters from Indian geography book. You can see this is the Indian geography book, guys. Indian physical environment. Indian physical environment. In this chapter, guys, today we are going to discuss two chapters, which is Indian vegetation and Indian soil. Indian vegetation and Indian soil. Okay. So, guys, as far as vegetation is considered, guys, this year there is an important theme which is going on, which is forest fire. Forest fires are becoming very common in India, and with the climate change, with increasing temperature, forest fires are becoming very common. The frequency and the intensity of forest fires are increasing. So I think, okay, how many of you think that forest can be a question this year? Forest can be a question this year. So you can get a question on forest fire and overall forest. What are the different types of forest in India? What are the different types of vegetation in India? Can be a question. Okay, so type of vegetation. So I'm asking one question: which type of forest in India they are prone to forest fires? Can anybody tell me in the comment box which type of forest are more prone to uh, forest fires? Can anybody tell me which type of forest fires? Who can tell me the answer? Quickly, guys. Which type of vegetation in India are prone to forest fires? Can anybody tell me? What is the answer? Write down, guys. Tropical deciduous. Tropical deciduous. Okay. Okay. Dry tropical deciduous. Okay. Very, very important. Tropical deciduous. Dry tropical deciduous. Dry tropical deciduous. Dry tropical deciduous. Okay. Can you name one tree? Can you name one tree that is leading to a lot of forest fire in Uttarakhand and Himachal Pradesh? Can you name that tree? Can you name that tree which is leading to a lot of forest fires? Okay, pine tree, pine tree, pine tree, pine tree, pine tree, dry deciduous forest, dry deciduous forest. So, according to me, according to my analysis, they may give you, okay, which forest in India are more prone to forest fires, or they can also give you, okay, why evergreen forests do not get fire. Why evergreen forests do not get fire? Why? Because evergreen forests, they have leaves, green leaves throughout the year. They have moisture throughout the year. They have moisture throughout the year. They have green leaves throughout the year. They have green leaves throughout the year. Therefore, evergreen forests, they do not catch fire. It is the dry deciduous forests, they shed leaf. They shed leaf. They shed leaf. Okay, guys. So forest report has come. Forest report has come, guys. Forest report comes in every 2 years. Okay, forest report has come. Okay, forest report has come. So the forest percentage in India, 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 every 2 year report comes. Okay, every 2 year report comes. Which organization is responsible for the report? Which organization is responsible for the report? Guys, Indian Forest Report 2023 has been published. Indian Forest Report has been published. Very, very important. You will get a question on forest, guys. This year, forest is very, very important. Please do prepare forest. Please do prepare forest. Very, very important. Very, very important. Please do prepare. What is the percentage of forest in India? What is the percentage of tree cover in India? What is the percentage of forest in India? What is the percentage of tree cover in India? Guys, one more thing they can give you. National Forest Policy. What is the percentage ideal forest? 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 Can anybody tell me in the comment box? 33%. 33%. Jima Afrin is saying 33%. How many of you are saying 33%, guys? Very, very important question. Very, very important question, guys. Forest fire, for types of forest, guys. Types of forest this year, very, very important. This year again one topic is very important: mangrove forest. Mangrove forest, mangrove forest. Why mangrove forest is important? Can anybody tell me? Mangrove forest is important because this year we are observing 20 years of tsunami in India. 20 years of tsunami in 2024, 20 years of tsunami 2025. Okay, 20 years, 2024, 25. Okay, tsunami came. Tsunami. Okay, which tree protects from tsunami? Which is the tree which protects from tsunami? Can anybody tell me which is the tree that protects from tsunami? Who can tell me the answer, guys? Which kind of vegetation protects from tsunami? It is the mangroves vegetation. Why mangrove vegetation protect from tsunami? Because mangroves have deep roots. Mangroves have deep roots. Mangroves have deep roots. Mangroves have deep roots. Deep roots cannot be uprooted. Guys, mangroves, types of mangrove vegetation, very, very important. What is the vegetation? What are the features of mangrove vegetation? Mangrove vegetation are also called blue carbon. They're called blue carbon. They're called blue carbon. What is blue carbon? Blue carbon are those oceanic ecosystems which conserve carbon. Blue carbon, blue carbon, blue carbon, concept of blue carbon. Okay, guys, how many of you are really liking this, guys? Okay, how many of you really like? Give a thumbs up to this live session, guys. I'm coming every day at 8:30. I'm coming every day at 8:30. Give a thumbs up to this video, guys. Yesterday there was a PYQ session, guys. That's why yesterday I did not came, guys. Okay, give a like to this video, guys. I'm continuing it daily. I'm coming out, okay, for live sessions, just for, okay, motivate you and help you revise the entire day. Help you revise the entire day so that you can check, are you moving in the right direction? Did you cover all the important topics, guys? Very, very important, guys. Very, very important. Okay, guys. So please do prepare vegetations. Again, guys, in this chapter, we have mentioned here. Okay, in this chapter, we have mentioned here. Okay, the biosphere reserves. The biosphere reserves. Very, very important. Biosphere reserves. Biosphere reserves. Again, very important. Please prepare all the biosphere reserves. Okay, please prepare all the biosphere reserve. This year, there will be a question in biosphere reserve. Okay, particularly the Nicobar Biosphere Reserve, the Western Ghats Nilgiri, the Western Ghats Biosphere Reserve, the Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve. There can be a question on that. And then, guys, in the Simplipal region also, there can be a question on Simplipal region also. These are the three biosphere reserves. Even Sundarbans are also very important. Sundarbans are also very important, but most important is the Nicobar Biosphere Reserve, the Western Ghat Biosphere Reserve, and the Simplipal area. Okay, Simplipal area. These are the important biosphere reserves. You can see here they have mentioned, guys, biosphere reserve. Okay, biosphere reserves, very, very important. Biosphere reserves, very, very important. This is a very important topic. I'm giving you three biosphere reserve. If you are part of lecture, guys, in our lecture series, we have covered each and every biosphere reserve in the static map session. Please go and watch the static map sessions. They are very, very useful. Please go and watch static map sessions. They are very, very useful. Biosphere reserve. Okay, we will cover this in the environment also, but because it is given in the Indian geography book, this is a target today. You have to cover this, guys. You have to cover this. Very, very important. Another important topic this year is get agroforestry, social forestry, agroforestry, social forestry. Very, very important, guys. Please prepare the policy. Please prepare the policy regarding agroforestry, social forestry. Very, very important, guys. This is a very important topic you can get. Next, let us move on to the soils. Guys, soils, types of soils. Guys, generally questions do not come directly on types of soils. They will attach with the crops. They will attach with the crops, and then only they are going to ask types of soils. But generally, okay, questions do not come. But if question will come this year, which soil they will ask? Laterite soil. If question will come, which soil they will ask? Laterite soil. Why laterite soil they will ask, guys? Laterite soil they will ask because laterite soils were in use because of the Wayanad landslides. Wayanad landslides. Laterite mining. Laterite soils are generally found in which climate? Okay, wet and hot climate. High temperature and high rainfall leads to what? Laterite climate. Guys, there is no humus, there is no organic compound. Iron is rich, potash is rich. Laterite soils are not very good for crops. Laterite soils are not very good for crops. They are not nutritious. So that is why, guys, generally no cultivation happens, but cashew cultivation, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Kerala. Okay, these are the states where we have laterite soil. Laterite soils are generally used for house construction, road construction, laterite soil. They are rich in iron. Okay, guys. Anyone, quickly, guys. Anyone? Do you like this, guys? Are you liking this? I'm trying to be very quick with the revision, guys. Are you liking this, guys? Please let me know, guys. Is it helping you? Is it like, are you liking it, guys? Please do hit a like button so that I get an indication that this is helping you. Guys. So the point is, generally what they will do, they will link the crops. And the soil, guys. They will link the crops. Like Cotton crop is very important this year. So black soil is for cotton crop. Cotton crop is very important, guys. Black soil for cotton crop. Okay, this kind of question they can ask you. They can attach things. Okay, crops and the soils, crops and soils, crops and soils, crops and soils. Again, a very important topic this year is soil erosion and land degradation. Soil erosion and land degradation, land desertification is increasing at a very high scale. This year we have 30 years of UNCCD. This year we have 30 years of UNCCD. So soil erosion is a very important topic. You will get a question definitely on soil erosion, land degradation, land desertification. Soil erosion, land degradation, land desertification. What percentage of Indian soil is degraded? What percentage of Indian soil is desertified? Guys, this is a very important topic. Please refer the atlas. Please refer the atlas. Okay, the land atlas prepared by ISRO. Land atlas prepared by ISRO. What is the percentage of Indian soil which is degraded, which is eroded, which is basically desertified? Very, very important. Guys, green revolution led to desertification of Indian soils. Green revolution led to basically degradation of Indian soil because of excess of fertilizers. So guys, you may get a question on the composition of soils also, which fertilizers okay they need, which soil are rich in which fertilizer. This can be a very important question. Land desertification, land degradation, soil erosion can be a very important theme. Guys, how many of you have prepared this? This is a very, very important theme. How many of you have prepared? This is a very, very important thing. Then they can ask you soil conservation, guys. Soil conservation, guys. Okay, types of okay soil erosion, gully erosion. Okay, gully erosion. Okay, they can ask you gully erosion. Okay, ravines. Okay, all this kind of thing. What can be done for soil conservation? Contour bunding, contour terracing, contour bunding. Okay, then okay, forest. Okay, forest cover. Okay, that is called what is that called? Okay, that strip. Okay, for a land cover. Okay, then guys, what they can do is that crop rotation, mixed farming, 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 crop rotation, mixed farming. Okay, so okay, regulated forestry, regulated shelter belt, contour bunding. Okay, you should prepare each and every term in this. Guys. Again, soil organic carbon, again a very important concept. This carbon farming is starting in India. What is carbon farming? What is soil organic carbon? Okay, very, very important. Carbon farming, the concept of carbon farming in the environment topic you will study, but please prepare today also. What is soil organic carbon? What is carbon farming? Very, very important, guys. Okay, green carbon, okay, blue carbon, green carbon, brown carbon, very important concept, guys. Okay, is this clear, guys? Are you understanding the themes which are important this year, guys? How many of you understood? Give a okay, guys. Give a okay message. Sir, I understood all the topics which you have given today theme. Guys, how many of you have understood all the topics which I have given? Give a yes in the comment box, guys. Give a yes in the comment box, guys. I hope I'm helping you, guys. If you have anything, any problem, please do reach out to me. One more thing, guys. Many of you have not solving the test series. Guys, tomorrow we have 2 NCERT geography tests. Tomorrow we have 2 NCERT geography tests. One is the Indian NCERT geography test. One is the World Physical Geography NCERT test. How many of you are going to take the NCERT geography test? Guys, if you have already taken the NCERT geography test, please revise it tomorrow, because this week we have covered the physical geography. This week we covered the physical geography of world, physical geography of India. So tomorrow is the test day. Please take the test. 200 questions tomorrow, the most important one in the new pattern. This will really help you. Most of you are ignoring test. Guys, you are going to repent this. Do not make the mistake of okay ignoring the test, guys. Practice is what is important, guys. Study, everyone is studying, but what toppers do, what the successful candidates do, they practice more. Practice is very important. In UPSC prelims is all about practice. So guys, tomorrow we will have to attempt the NCERT test. If you have not attempted, guys, please start attempting the NCERT test. They are very, very useful. Okay, guys. Akila is saying I will attempt. Very good. Dhyanesh Deshmukh is saying yes. Arslan sir is saying yes. Arslan sir. Okay, this. Then guys, Jima is saying yes, I will do that. Okay, how many of you are going to do this? Okay, guys. Okay, please do stay motivated. And guys, discipline is what will take us to success, guys. Be disciplined. Every day we will try to okay cover the targets. Every day I'm giving you the targets. Please meet the target every day. Try to finish the target every day. Thank you, guys. Bye bye. Take care.